What's up, P-Timers? The 2018 Hot Wheels K case is here, and for some reason, it's been opened already. Let's go ahead, open it up again, and find out what's going on. Here it is, the 2018 Hot Wheels K case, and for some reason, it's got this weird sort of sticker on the actual box to cover some sort of lettering on here. I haven't seen that before on a case, and worst of all, this was opened up by DHL and repackaged. I really do not know why they would have done that. I've gotten many of these before. I've never seen that before. I really hope someone who saw these as being Hot Wheels didn't open it up and steal a Super Treasure Hunt that was inside of it. But let's go ahead, open it up, and see what's inside. So inside, I can already see there's a few cards that are bent. Let's start it off by pulling out these ones at the top right here. So we'll start it off. We've got the HW450F. We've got a 69 Dodge Coronet Super B. We've got the X Steam, and we'll go right up here. We've got another one of the 55 Corvettes. We've seen this one before in previous cases. We've got the new color for the 2015 Mustang GT Borla. That's an interesting looking one, very nice. And this one I've been really looking forward to. It's the Lamborghini Countach Pace Car. Check that out, that's interesting. I can't wait to open this one up. All right, let's go on to the top right here. We've got two of the Justice League Batmobiles, and we do know that these are fast on the top speed track. And we've got the Mad Props. We've seen that one many times before. And up here, we have got the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR, two different ones. And we've got a 69 Charger 500. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Rally Cat, we've got the Fiat 500, and we've got a 70 Chevelle SS wagon. And moving on up here, we've got the treasure hunt of the case. It is the bumper round. We've got two of the Moon Eyes Pro Stock Camaros in that matte black finish. Very nice. And moving on, we have got the clear speeder. We've got the alerted ego. Or Altered Ego, sorry. There we go, Altered Ego. That's an interesting one. Look at how it's got no wheel right there. I think that's how it's meant to be. I don't think it's an error or anything. It's got the extended wheel on there. Very interesting one. We'll have to put that one down the track. McLaren P1, love the P1. We've got another white one to add to the collection. And what else do we have up here? We've got the 71 Porsche 911, the Magnus Walker edition one, and we've got two of the 2015 Ford F-150 K&Ns, and we've got 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X, two of the white ones, the Advan variations. Those ones are really cool, collectible ones. We've got the Buns of Steel. Check it out. Check out that big hamburger on the back of it. All right, let's put those down. Moving on, we've got the Track Hammer, we've got the Drift Rod, and we've got the Double Demon. Wow, that's an interesting one. Two different demons on either end. Cool fantasy car. All right, what do we have down here? We've got the X-Steam. We have got the Exotic, Hot Wheels Exotic car. That's an interesting one. Exotic fantasy car. All right, we'll put those ones on this side. And over here, we have got different color of the Beats All. There it is. We've got the Radical Racer. And this is probably the one I've been really looking forward to the most. We've got the Lamborghini Aventador Miria Homage Edition. And this is the non-Super Treasure Hunt. So it doesn't look like we'll have a Super Treasure Hunt in the case. All right, we'll have to open that up very soon though. We'll put that one aside. And let's get on to the bottom of the box here. And that looks a little bit cleaner down there. So let's go ahead and grab the cars on the top up here. We have got the Chevy Blazer 4x4, and we've got the Rise and Climb, and this is the 50th anniversary card on there. Very nice one, 50th anniversary wheels. Interesting one. That's one of the ones that I've been looking forward to as well. We'll put those ones aside. And what do we have up top right here? Oh, cars are falling. We'll let those ones drop. We've got the 2015 Ford Mustang, different color variation. We've got the Eruption fantasy car. And flip this around. We've got a Skull Shaker. That is a very interesting fantasy car. Wow. That's a very cool one. I really like that fantasy car. Cool. So it's got the little guy inside of it, and check out the card too. Very, very nice. I like that one. That's a very cool fantasy car. We've got another one there, right there. So we've got 2 of them, and we've got the Fast Feline. We've got 2 of the 52 Chevys, and these ones came in a Super Treasure Hunt in the previous case, but these are just the mainline versions. And we've got the Time Ataxi, new color variation of the Time Ataxi, and we'll see what else we got in here. We've got 2 of the 2018 Ford Mustang GTs in that blue color. Really, really like this one. I'm hoping to see more colors of this, which I'm sure we will. We've got the Stingrod Hot Wheels fantasy car there. And up top here, we'll get 3 more cars. We've got the Ford Transit Connect. We've got the Fandango from the Checkmate series, and we have got the Audacious from the Checkmate series. And so this one is the Rook, and this one is the Pawn. So you can kind of collect all of those if you do fancy. And we've got a 2015 Mustang GT convertible, yellow color variation, and we've got 2 of the new colored 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. I'll put those up there. What else do we have down here? We have got a Rally Cats. We've got the 2016 AMG GT3 Mercedes, and that's that new Hot Wheels color variation, Hot Wheels Racing Team color variation. One of my favorite castings this year. Really, really love it. We've seen it in previous case though. And what else do we have down here? We've got the, what is this right here? Cyber Speeder. Very cool. And this one is one of the other ones I've been really looking forward to in this case. It's the new color variation of the 2017 Ford GT. So we've seen, I think this is probably like the 6th color variation we've seen of the 2016 Ford GT. But you know what? Amazing casting, love it. So really can't go wrong with it. And next up, we've got another new color variation of the custom Ford Maverick. So we saw a white one initially, and now we've got the different blue. It's kind of a bluish purple color. I don't know, it's hard to say. Hard to see in my light here, but love the gold wheels, looks great. And we've got up here, we've got 2 more of the 2016 Ford GT races, which we saw in the previous case, the new red color for it. And we've got the Kick Kart, which we also saw in the previous case. So I'll put those ones aside. And we've got 2 of the Mazda REPU pickup trucks. And we've got the 69 Coronet Super B. All right, 3 more cars on the bottom right here. It doesn't look like we are going to get a Super Treasure Hunt in this case, that's for sure. So we've got the another one of the Lamborghini Countach Pace cars, which I cannot wait to open. We've got a new color for the Volkswagen Golf MK2. I believe we saw this one in the previous case as well. And we've got the 69 Dodge Charger 500. And as always, I've picked out the highlight cars from this case. So the 2 most highlighted cars have to be these 2 Lamborghinis. So the brand new casting of the Lamborghini Countach Pace car. So very nice. I can't wait to open it up and kind of feel, it looks like it is a full metal body. Very nice. And then we've got the Lamborghini Aventador Miria Homage Edition, a great looking new recolor. So definitely the highlight cars of this case. And the next ones we've got, which are highlight cars, is the Rise and Climb. And this one, because it's got the amazing looking new card, the new wheels, very cool 50th anniversary edition Hot Wheels Racing Team. And then we've got the 2015 Ford Mustang GT Borla edition, a nice new recolor in the white. And then a very, very cool casting, probably one of the coolest fantasy castings I've seen in a while. It is the Skull Shaker with the little guy inside of it. That is so cool. And last but not least, another new recolor of the 2017 Ford GT in this red with the white stripes. It looks fantastic. Well, Peak Timers, you guys have asked for it, so here it is, a giveaway of these 4 Hot Wheels cars. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to Peak Time Racing, give this video a like, and comment down below PTR win. A bonus entry if you're following me on Instagram. Best of luck, and hopefully you win. Thanks, Peak Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.